this has got to be one of the coolest things that you've seen today. Basically, Remotion now has agent skills. And what that means is that we can create entire videos like this one by just using Claude Code. So in this video, we'll go through exactly how you can do that. First, you'll want to create a folder, go inside of that folder, and once in there, type in bun create video. As simple as this. Now here, you'll want to select a template. Select blank. Let me zoom out a bit. And yes, I want to use Tailwind. If all goes well, you'll probably see the enjoy Remotion message, at which you'll type in bunks skills add Remotion -dev/skills, or just go with npx. Hit enter. It'll ask you which skill you want to install. So there's anti-gravity, Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, Gemini. I'll go with Claude Code. And I'll actually cancel my installation since I've already gone through this process. But now that it created the project, let me just type in bun I to install all of the packages. All right, now with all the packages installed, let me zoom out, type in bun dev, wait for it to open the localhost 3000 or whatever port is available. You should now see something like this. If yours opens up without being inside of the composition, it'll probably be just gray area. So click on my comp and it should open up this interface. Now we can go over to Claude. Let me run it with dangerously skip permissions. Okay, now it's time to get creative. My prompt will be this. I haven't tested this before, by the way, but create a web window interface that is opened inside of a YouTube video, and then place in the name of my channel. The video shows the Claude Code terminal interface, and it starts typing, "This is way too cool." So as simple as this, let's actually take a screenshot of how the Claude terminal looks like. So it has that as context. And now just hit enter and let's see what it builds for us. It's been around 2 minutes now, and it's the first time something happens, but I feel like it's been creating a bunch of different components. Let me hit, yeah, this is actually way too cool. Just imagine where we'll be with this in a few months from now. It's opening up a bunch of different instances. So let me tell Claude, don't run npm run dev as it is already running. And don't use npm, use bun. Okay, but what should we do now? I think I'm going to make it scroll down and click on the like button and subscribe, like have that nice interaction. So I added make sure that at the end, when it's done typing "this is way too cool," it seems as if the user is scrolling down inside of the YouTube page. And it shows a cursor clicking on the like button, then on the subscribe button. Oh, and by the way, for more context, if you want to see how they built this example, there's an entire video that's actually in like 10x the speed. But I mean, you might want to use it as a reference for prompting. By the way, those prompts are here as well. But it's really about knowing what you want to build and aiming towards building something that can be kind of drawn into a web interface. Not like draw myself in a YouTube video, like produce my entire video for me. Let's see how it's going with that. Seems pretty cool. So it already presumed that the video will reach 2.5 thousand views. Seems like it's done actually. Let's watch. So play, it scrolls down, there's a cursor there. So the cursor really isn't clicking on the like button nor on the subscribe because it's like all the way up here. Let me take a screenshot of this and send it over to Claude. So all I said is the cursor should be bigger and it isn't exactly on top of the buttons. Okay, it seems like it changed the cursor's position, but it's not quite there yet. One thing we can do is just find out where are these positions. This could be a bit tricky. All right, so this is what we got. It types in "this is way too cool," then goes over to the like button, kind of clicks that. So it seems like it dashes through the like button and then goes already up to subscribe. But yeah, we could improve this in many different ways, like just adding the other thumbnails and videos here, making sure this description is bigger, correcting this cursor, like making it bigger overall. But just the fact that we built all this by talking to an AI agent is absolutely fantastic. This video isn't sponsored at all, but as a content creator, I know how hard it is sometimes to just build these type of things. And just knowing that AI agents can do all this for us already is pretty amazing. So make sure to check out Remotion. Their link will be in the description of the video, as well as the prompt GitHub links and this X post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then.